and an airline worker, Karen. And as you can see on the top right of the screen, they're in an autonomous state. And on the right here, you can see a state diagram where it's indicated what state they're in right now. So they're in sort of an idle state, and they could do different gestures which I'm going to demonstrate now. So I'm just going to connect to them to see if they're working. So you can see on the top right over here that it's in an alive state. So I've just connected to them, and I want to see if the connection is working. So I'm just going to make them freeze for now. Okay, they're frozen, so I have control. I've just unfrozen them. And maybe I want them to smile now. So I can press on the tablet here. I've got a bunch of controls, and I can press the buttons and make them do particular actions. So they're smiling now. And I can even control them individually. So if I go to the yoga instructor, maybe, she's not sure what's going on, everybody's looking at her right now, and she's a bit confused. So I can put her into a confused state. And the airline worker wants to ask you a question.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. So, as you can see here, we have full-size, realistic-looking neons, and we have control over the actions that they're doing.
How was your day?
And since we're at CES, they maybe wanted to pose for a selfie. So I can put them into a selfie pose, and they'll strike a pose, so you can take a picture. Okay, I'll unfreeze them now. You can say bye. So now I'm going to move on to the second part of the demo, and we're going to go deeper and show you the real-time responsiveness that we have, the control that we have over their face, their facial expressions, and the movements of different parts of their face. So I'm going to go over to Maya here. She's currently in an autonomous state. And I'm going to connect to her. Let's see if the connection's working. Hi. And I'm going to demonstrate some of the facial expressions that she has. So I can just press smile. And she's got many different types of smiles. And she's got a huge crowd in front of her right now, so maybe she's a bit surprised. Or maybe she's skeptical, so I can put her in a skeptical expression. And if she's not happy with what's happening right now, she can put on an angry face. So Maya can also tell us a story.
Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits, and their names were
just to show you what fine control we have over the neon.
And Peter.
While she's saying that's the
lived
story,
with their mother in
I
a
can
sandbank
even
underneath the
control
root of a big fir
her
tree.
eyelids.
Now, my dears, said Miss
So she
Little
can
Rabbit,
say the story with
one
her eyes
morning
closed.
you may
That's
go
because
into
I'm
the fields
controlling a
or
slider
down the
over
lane,
here.
but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Your father had an accident there. He was put in a pie.
Okay, so I can put her back to a neutral state. And we can now try to connect to Monica here. So I'll just set up the connection here.
Monica she's from a Terminator movie.
We're connected to Monica. You can see that now she's in a live state over there. Let's see if the connection's working. Hi. And I just want to show you some of the fine-grained control we have over Monica's eyelids here as well. And you can even just make her close or open one eye at a time. Or maybe you want to move her eyes to the left and to the right. And I can show you some of her eyebrow movements. I can't do this movement, but she can. And now I would also like to show you some of her speech capabilities.
Welcome to CES.
And now we can also connect Monica to a third-party speech service. So let me just go into that mode. And maybe not even in English. So we can now choose the voice because we're using a third-party application.
안녕하세요. 무엇을 도와드릴까요?
So that's, she's saying a greeting in Korean. And let's see if she can also do that same thing in Chinese.
你好，请问我有什么可以帮你？
Or even in Hindi.
आप कैसे हैं? क्या मैं आपकी कोई मदद करूं?
Okay. Thank you, Monica. So I've shown you some of the capabilities about Neons right now. And thank you very much for attending and watching. And I'm going to pass you back to Bo now.